This is my July. Let me check the date. I know I'm doing this ahead of time, but I'm doing this ahead of time because July we're doing something, and so I thought I'd make a July EDC bag. And don't know why my dog's licking his cage. So, first pocket, I got my portable charger. These I just saw on Amazon. They have a miniature version, but they have the big version for like $20 now. When they first came out, they were like 60. On 2 pens. Of course, my favorite kind of pens, these big ones. They're the grip rollers one. I think I got a box of these on Amazon for like $6. $6. I could talk, you tell it's not really mine for me. Because it's like 10:13 in the morning. Just woke up. Second pocket, I have my 2DS. And I have decided that the new 2DS is coming out. I'm not getting it. I'm going to stick with this one. I don't see the reason why to upgrade. My medical book. My medical book I don't keep in here. Usually I keep it in my pockets. Because like today I go to my doctor's office. And we can't bring bags in the doctor's office. It's a policy they have. So I just carry this. Excuse me. Sorry, I had a cough. Aux cord for my headphones. And that's it. Back compartment. First aid kit, but I have a question for all of you. Let's see if I can find it. I just saw this. Oh, you won't be able to read this. I don't think. No, you won't be able to read that. No. It says expires in 2/21. Does anybody know why first aid kits expire? Somebody tell me that down in the comments. But it says expires in 2/21. I know that's not for a long time, but I was just confused. Right in the rain. And a little flashlight. A little dollar store flashlight. My bus driver actually gave me this. My school bus driver. Yeah. That's it I got. And this is a Mosey bag. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's just a sling bag. Not very big. I like it. Don't know what else to talk about. Have a good day.